Good day guys, this is JBL Tech Tips and today we're back with another video. I'm going to show you how to empty your C drive and make your machine faster. Now the first thing that you need to do is just head over to the File Explorer, then click on this PC, go onto the local C drive, then click where it says Windows. We're looking for a folder called temp. Now you need to type in TEMP. Once you found the folder, click on it. With your keyboard, just click on Ctrl and A, then delete all that. Then say continue. Once done, we're going to go back. Then we're looking for a folder named Prefetch. Once you've found it, we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to log in there. Then from there on, we're going to select each and every file that's in there. Ctrl A, then delete each and everything that's in there. Then yeah, we're going to delete each and everything. Once done doing that, we're not done yet. Refresh the page. Then we're going to go on to where it says on the Windows button. Type in disk cleanup. If you're using Windows 10 and above, you should have that software installed on your operating system. Click on each and every box that's in there. Click on everything that's in there, especially the box that says recycle bin. Once done, click on OK. Ensure that each and every box is cleared up. Then click on OK. Now that software or app that's embedded onto your operating system will clean up each and everything that's on that you have recently deleted in unwanted temporary files. Click on continue. That's nothing to be afraid of. You just let the software continue, and then once done, because we're pacing against time, go onto your web browser. I'm using Chrome. Just search in Malwarebytes. You need to click on the first link that you find. Let me just try to zoom in on that so that you can see. Click on the first one that says cybersecurity. Once done, you need to click on where it says free download, because we're using it for free purposes. Once done, we're going to uninstall the software. Click on free download. As you can see on the bottom left corner, it will start downloading just a moment ago. Okay, just waiting. My machine is a bit slow, don't worry about that. Okay, now as you can see, the application is done. The disk cleanup application is done cleaning up your machine. Now you need to go deeper with the software, the Malwarebytes. As it's still downloading, my internet is a bit slow, don't mind that. If you have any other internet that's a bit faster, probably it might be done by now. Then you should be able to navigate. You should be able to install it and navigate and wait for my instruction, and so that I can tell you pace by pace on what to do. Now once the application is done, just head over into this PC, onto your downloads, the recent downloads that you have downloaded. You'll see the application there on top. You just need to double click on that application until there is a prompt that's prompting you for administration right for you to install the application. You need to click on install. I'm going to do this for family and me, not for home business purposes. Now we just go to wait a while. Once the software is installing, clear anything that's running in the background so that your machine can be a bit faster. Now I'm using a Lenovo Core i3 with an 8 GB of RAM, so it's a bit fast but not that fast. So you just have to bear with me guys on this one. So it's still a bit installing. Okay, some of you guys, the installation might be done and purposes of that. Now you need to scan your machine, but then you just have to wait for me so that we can take it one step at a time, pace by pace, because I'm going to show you the fundamentals on how to clean your machine from step by step, from the beginning up until the end. Now it's installing and it's on 72%. Almost done guys, please bear with me. Still taking up its time, and I've checked, there is nothing running on my background unless it's something that I'm not aware of, but I've checked on the task manager. Seems like it's only my EA application as well, my torrent one. But anyway, back to business. As you can see, the application has been installed. Once it's installed, you'll see it on the desktop. Just double click on it. Waiting for it again. Just say get started. Click on get started. Click on maybe later. We don't want to subscribe. Just get started again. Once done with that step, we're going to be prompted that says scan. Now this software covers pretty much each and everything from malware, from antiviruses, from bugs, each and everything. It scans each and every file that's in your machine. So now the scanning has started. It's going to scan through each and every file that's on my machine to ensure that it's safe, and so that it's safe for me to use and I won't be easily hacked or I'm vulnerable in any other parts. Okay, never mind that prompt. It's still scanning. Once done, just say close, then quarantine. Just say close and on quarantine. I don't know what I did there, but anyway, just say close and quarantine, because that ad kept on popping up, so it was kind of disturbing. But anyway, just say close and then quarantine, because I managed the exclusions. Manage the exclusions. Okay, manage exclusions. There you go. Now your machine should have been quarantined right about now. But anyway, the app kept on popping up, so sorry about that, guys. But anyways, seems like the website is blocked, because that's why it kept on popping up. Blocked some of the website because some of the malicious website that was installed there. Now everything, as you can check, everything has been quarantined and it's the latest date. No malicious websites or any antivirus that are installed on my machine, and the scan has been done. Now the thing that I will need to do from now on is just close the application. Once done, head over, click onto the Windows button, click on type in control, I meant to say, sorry about that. Open the application, go on to program and features. Once done, we're going to uninstall the application, because you don't want the application to be fully installed onto your machine for a long term, because they will charge you in future for you using that application. So I think it's best from time to time, after doing that, probably you do it twice a month regularly, then install the application, then uninstall the application once done, because it's much safer for you and you'll be able to use it for free. I just showed you a hack, guys, on how to do this, so please don't tell anyone, because it might get me into trouble. But anyway, just uninstall the app, keep all the survey, and then pretty much each and everything should be uninstalled right now. It's still uninstalling. It's a bit much faster right now. And once you have uninstalled the application, be sure to activate Windows Firewall, because you'll be sure to activate that and ensure that your machine is clean and is free from all the antivirus that are on your machine, because that will help you in the long run. Really, activate your Windows Firewall and make sure that it's on, please, guys, so that you can be safe. Please, because once you install an antivirus, it deactivates the Windows Firewall. So be sure to open it up and turn it on for future references. Once done, thank you, guys, and I really appreciate it. I think I'm much done there, and thank you so much, guys.